Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is February 8th, 2021. This is Dale Woodson, one of Timer Digest's top ranked stock market timers. And I want to mention to you guys that we do appreciate everyone hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to also hit the reminder bell and the like button, and we appreciate if you can comment and or share our videos. Okay, we're going to get into the S&P. Before we do that, I wanted to mention that we have our short-term report. We did our 3-year trading record here when we started the short-term report. Even though Woodson Wave Report started in 1997, we started the day trading service in 2018. You can see our 3-year track record there, and I average over 700 trades a year. So we did move our futures trades over to Striker Securities last year. So if you don't want to sit in front of your computer and trade all day, you can contact Striker and they will auto trade my signals. Okay, we want to get into, let me look here, make sure there's something else we don't want to get into first. Yeah, we've got that. Let's talk about the Fibonacci time spiral. As you know, it was catching the alternating highs and lows. This is a little bit of review for you guys, and then it caused successive highs. The last 2 dates here. Okay, the next turn date is April 23rd. As you guys know, our price target, long-standing from last fall, price target is $39.96, and time is secondary to price. It would be beautiful and nice if it hit $39.96 on April 23rd to marry price and time together. It's not required. I'd prefer price over time, and we're getting close to $39.96. It does not seem that they will both hit at the same time, $39.96 and April 23. We have to wait and watch it play out, but we'll see what happens. But in an argument between price and time, we'll take price over time and see what happens. So speaking of price, let's get into the analysis. We can go back to our daily chart. From the March lows, we have a 1 up, a 2 down, a 3 up, a 4 down. You can see our long-standing target where 5 equals 1 at $39.96. That may be off by a fraction of a full point or not. If it would go higher, we can look at something over 4,000. But $39.96 is the ideal target we're looking at. Let's analyze from that October low. A little bit of review here too. You can see we have a 1 up, a 2 down, and 3 gains equality with 1 at 39.23. We're almost there. We closed at 39.15, I believe, today, which was right at the high of the day. Okay, so we're within 8 points of ideal target right here for this intermediate wave 3 from the October lows. There's 1 up, there's 2. You can see the subdivisions within, and the subdivisions, fractals of fractals, okay? 3 within 3 within 3 within 5. All right, so that's what we're looking at, 39.23. Let me get another picture of that for you guys. Here you go. There's our 1 and 2. That steep incline on 1, which makes 3 look weak. But and we've had new highs past that wave 3 high. So we're looking at wave 3 to go to 39.23. We could expect a 4th wave of intermediate degree pullback, and then a 5 of 5 of 5 target at 39.96. Speaking of that pullback, let's just jump ahead a little bit, and let's just, because it's so close, let's say we get that retracement, we get that high at 39.23. Here we go. Here's our targets for this 4 here. Okay, the Fibonacci 382 puts us at 37.65. 50% is 37.16, and a 618 is 36.68. Okay, so that's what we're looking at there. So we're looking at a 3, a 4. You never know, 4s could get long and sideways. This could go out till April 23rd. But again, I'll take price over time every time. And if they go together, great. Who calls price and time? Like you know, I have in the past, but it's not very often. Anyway, it's shaping up real nicely. Look for 39.23 and then a pullback and then a move up to our all-time high target. Let me look here at this 5-minute. Yesterday I got a little carried away with Friday's high and had 5 waves up, but that obviously was not correct, and I wanted to straighten that out for you guys. So we have 5 waves up here on our 5-minute chart, and let's see if we can get, there's 1, 3 was huge, and if we have 4 here, should be right about there. That shows us 5 here should go 39.23. That's what we're looking at, 5 of 5 of 3 of intermediate degree pattern. I want to get this a little bit closer here. Yeah, you can see we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that should work out. Let's go ahead and micromanage that if we can here. And let me just, no, I didn't want to do that. I want to get this in a lot bigger and tighter here for this count. Okay, let's see what we got going on. If this will actually get us there too. From that low, that could be 3 there. 4 there gets us right there. Yeah, we could see another pullback there, but we're looking at 39.23. Okay, and we'll go back to our review here. This is what we're looking at, 39.23 for 3, a 4 pullback, those prices we have, and then the 5 of 5 of 5. Okay, I wanted to touch on Tesla because Tesla's diverging from the S&P. You can see here that Tesla has not made a new high, okay, while the S&P has. Okay, it came out of that 4th wave triangle. We had a thrust up, and then this move down here was not good for the case for new all-time highs. You can see our 5th wave. We're going back to the March lows here. Wave 5 gains equality with 1 at 1,050. Okay, so this will have to develop into an impulsive wave. It could be a series of 1s and 2s, where this is 1 and this is 2, and we're going. Okay, this low here has to hold at 777. Otherwise, we're looking at a downtrend. I think we can get in a little closer to analyze Tesla here. I've got an hourly chart. Here is that 4th wave triangle. There's that thrust out of the triangle, and then it's been a series of lower highs. This does count in 5 waves. It could be a beginning triangle, if you will. Let me get the count in here. Get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 does overlap. 1 right there, which doesn't look good. You know, there's an ending diagonal triangle and a beginning diagonal triangle. Okay, that could be it right there, and then we have a 2 up. But for what it's worth, for this to go down, we need first this high to hold at 877, then this high to hold at 880, and ultimately that high to hold. Okay, so if that is the case, if it is down, let's get a target for you guys, because I don't know if I did that yesterday. So let's see here. We'll go from here to here, and we're looking at 760 and 685. This is going to have to develop, and this here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a retracement. These retracements are almost 100%. As you know, second waves cannot retrace more than 100% of first waves, but this move down here is a very high retracement. This move down here is a very high retracement. So this is kind of stuck. We've got our parameters here. We'd like to see a break of this low here, which is 782, to confirm the downtrend. Conversely, a move above the high here at 877. What was that, about 880, I think, and then ultimately 900 to get to our 1050 target. So we're going to have to allow Tesla to tell us what it's doing, because this is not giving us a clear indication either way. But we know by our parameters, okay? Either we're going to come down here to 760, or this thing's going to go up to 1050. Okay, that's the update for today. Again, thank you guys for patronizing the channel, and until next time, take care, everyone.